This ice cream looks delicious, until you take your first bite. At first glance, this green ice cream from Japan looks incredibly tempting. But the moment you take a bite, the heavy layer of matcha powder on top explodes into the air, making people cough instantly. The reason? An extremely strong matcha that hits your throat the second you taste it. The flavor is slightly sweet, slightly bitter, and extremely messy. This unusual ice cream is called Matcha. It's not a mistake, it's a challenge created on purpose. And don't worry for those who can't handle it, there's also a normal ice cream option available.